Hello everyone, here is the SHIBA INU Tangem card which I got few months ago, but I didn't had really time to make the video for YouTube, so we will open this now. I think inside there are 3 cards, so let's see what's inside. This, remove this, let's see, quite difficult to okay, nice, really nice. So I get 3 cards. They really look nice. Also the box is nice. If you want to order, they are still on the sale. You can see the link in the description. Also you can use my code to get 10% of discount. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.